In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete email search history on iPhone. We will look at both the Apple Mail app and the Gmail app so you can clear searches in whichever one you use most. First, open the Mail app on your iPhone. When it opens, you should see your inbox or the list of mailboxes with your emails stacked in a list and the word Mail at the top of the screen. If you have more than one account added, they will all still show here, and the process will be the same for any of them. Now tap the search bar at the top. It sits above your emails with a magnifying glass icon. As soon as you tap it, the keyboard will appear at the bottom, and the search field at the top becomes active, ready for you to type. Your recent searches will appear just under that search box. You will see a short list of words or email addresses you looked for recently, each one on its own line. If you do not see any items, that just means you have not used search and mail yet, so there is nothing to delete. Swipe left on a search item you want to remove. Place your finger on the word, slide it toward the left edge, and you should see a red delete button appear on the right. Beginners sometimes swipe too short and nothing happens, so make sure the swipe is a quick, clear motion across the item. Tap delete. The search term disappears from the list right away, and there is no undo button, so only remove items you are sure about. If you have several searches you want gone, repeat the same swipe and delete on each one. Remember, you are only deleting the saved search terms, not any actual emails. Note that the Apple Mail app does not provide a single button to clear all email search history at once. Recent searches must be removed one by one using that swipe and delete action. This can feel slow if your list is long, so many people clear only the most revealing or sensitive search terms instead of every single one. Next, open the Gmail app on your iPhone. The icon has a white background with a colored M. When it opens, you land on your inbox for the last account you used, with your emails listed and a small search bar at the top of the screen. From there, tap the menu icon in the top left. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. When you tap it, a side panel slides out, showing your Gmail accounts, folders like Inbox and Sent, and a Settings option further down. Tap Settings. The settings screen lists each Gmail account signed into the app. Pick the account you want by tapping it, and you will see options for that specific account, including notifications, signatures, and data controls. Tap Data Privacy. On this screen, Gmail groups tools that affect what is stored about your usage. Here you control things like search and other activity tied to your Gmail account. Tap Clear Search History. A small confirmation window appears, explaining that your Gmail search history will be cleared. This includes what you searched inside Gmail on this device and others using the same account. Confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the window closes and there is no progress bar, but the change is instant. The next time you tap the Gmail search bar, you will notice that your recent search suggestions are gone for that account on all your devices. You have now removed specific search terms from Apple Mail and cleared Gmail search history for your account on your iPhone. If this helped you tidy up your email searches, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple iPhone guides.